Doing today we'll be changing the brake pads on my Genesis G80 or the Genesis sedan, depending on which one that you have, which is all the same. It's very similar to doing the brake pads on the Lexus. These are my old ones that I just pulled out, which are not particularly great, but they're not bad per se. So what we're gonna do is put them in and kind of walk you through what I did to remove them. If you looked at my last video on doing Lexus brake pads, it's pretty much the same thing. So we're gonna do drop in the new ones, just like a cartridge. They slide in, and it has a little catch at the bottom that holds it. Do that for both sides. Just drops in like so. All right, now for the reinstall. You have those two pins that look just like this. Slide in from the back. Also too, everything has to be in place. As you can see, it has to slide underneath this little tab on both ends. And when they're in all the way, it'll slide through and you can kind of turn it a little bit. So for this, I use my little hook set. Flip that around so I can put my pin in, like so. Drop that in there. Now I'll put on my other pin for the bottom. Slide that in. Make sure it's up underneath the hook. And if everything lines up, it goes straight in. Just like that. Then take my hook around, spin it around once again, so I can line up, put my carter pin in. Drop the carter pin in. And it's that simple. But what I did to compress the brake pads, and well, not the brake pads, but the pistons. What I did, I got my screwdriver back here, pried a little bit, pushed it until it compressed on both sides. Also remember, this is a big caliper. It has two bleeder screws, one on this side and one on the back side. So you have to maintain pressure and make sure it's even on both sides. So when it's even, the only thing you do is just pop them out. Kind of opposite of what I did when I put it in. Also too, the Genesis has this little lattice cage that goes on the back side of it. And it goes like this to hold everything into place. So when you're doing these brakes, it's simple. It's not that complex. It's pretty much straightforward. It's so much easier to do them now versus taking the old style caliper loose and flipping them up and making sure everything's compressed and the pistons in. But this is a 4-piston setup. Pretty straightforward, simple, like the Brembo brake setup. Any questions? Give me a, well, I almost said give me a call, but text, message, like, share, subscribe. Also, if you need any type of help, just drop a line. Thank you. Have a great day.